I get asked a lot of times, what to buy, what tokens to buy. I would say, do your own research.
Do your own research, and that's what we're doing in this video. That was the new CEO of Binance. That's right, the guy that replaced CZ, speaking at the Cardano Summit. Now, people have asked him what Cardano assets are going to be added to the exchange. He said do your own research, but people have also asked Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano and co-founder of Ethereum, the same exact question. Here's what he had to say.
Any native token listings on the big exchanges? Not yet, but it's going to happen with Midnight, and Midnight will lead the way.
Midnight's going to lead the way. Now, more on that in a second, but let's talk what tokens are going to be added to these exchanges. Now, I want to give a big shout out to Ada Frog, great follow. Kind of inspired me to write a thread on what coins will be added to these major exchanges. Now, this person working with the partnership with a tier 1 exchange, over $1 billion in daily volume, over 20 million registered users, they're ready to go all in on Cardano native assets, and they're going to kick it off with listing 10 of the best projects of Cardano tokens. Now, we're going to have a thread with 5 tokens, and then I have a 6 secret dark horse pick that we're going to cover at the end. Now, I made this tweet this morning, starting to get some numbers here. Cardano community is as strong as ever despite the price, but folks, the price is not going to be low for too long. There's too much potential. Now, we have Bitcoin OS. This is going to unlock tons of liquidity for Cardano. This is going to be huge. We also have Cardano Midnight Testnet going live. That's right, the testnet is live. And remember, this is going to lead the way. And we got historical divergence on the RSI. This is the Cardano Bitcoin trading pair on weekly candles here. And last time we had a huge bullish divergence, Cardano went on a mega bull run, and we're seeing the exact same thing right now. And besides those 3, I also mentioned retail is around the corner, and this is going to be your friend, your neighbor, your brother's dog asking you which coin to buy. Well, we're not there yet, but it is soon. But I'm excited for these tier 1 exchanges listing these Cardano native tokens, but which ones? Now, before we get into it, what exactly is a CNT? It stands for Cardano Native Token, a little bit different than the other chains because the asset is built directly into the blockchain itself, just like ADA token is. Also, creating sending tokens doesn't require smart contracts. But what of the Cardano native tokens are going to be the likely candidates? Let's dive into the first coin here. First project has it all: memeability, volume, strong community, and they're actually building. Now, quickly, they have a DeFi product, Snek X Beta, new token mints, liquidity pool burns. They also have Snake Bot, that's a lot like the Telegram bots that you're seeing around. Snake.Fund, that's their project that is a lot like Pump.Fund, but only on Cardano. And last but not least, they got Snake Energy Drink. That's right. If you wonder what it tastes like, folks, it tastes like blue. Now, Snake is the top meme coin on Cardano. You can see they are actually literally building tons and tons of stuff. Now, the current market cap is only around 69 million, but at one point, the market cap for this token was 170 million. Now, when we zoom out here, you can see, the token price has been a lot higher. And so we are waiting for another bull run to kick off. And I see it's hitting around that 150, 200 million quite easily, folks. So I would not sleep on Snake. 75 million for a meme coin with all the things that they're building and doing. Number 1 community as far as meme coins on Cardano, which some people say has the strongest community. So it's a strong community within a strong community. I expect Snake to do some numbers this bull run. And not only that, I think it moons the hardest off a Binance listing. I think a lot of people don't feel like downloading a Cardano wallet, and so a lot of whales will probably ape in with the Binance listing. Second coin we're looking at is a DePIN play. Decentralized physical infrastructure. It's just a fancy way of saying compute, storage, or communications. And this one is a storage play. Now, Iagon is kind of the file coin of Cardano. It's a storage project that has nodes in over 50 countries. They say they're basically in every single continent. I don't know if I verified Antarctica myself though, but they say they're in every continent. And not only that, they have a physical product called the Cyclone. You can learn more here. And when you click on that, it takes you to this page, and they're starting at $549. They also got the Pro, $649. And this helps you run a storage node. And they say it's super easy, out of the box, simple instructions. You're good to go. And they're working with some different people within the Cardano ecosystem. Big shout out to Crypto Crow. He's going to have his own branded Crow version of this. Now, current market cap, 43 million, but at one point was over 100 million. And to me, nice discount at these prices. And again, the name of this token is Iagon, and the ticker is IAG, AI-driven shared storage and compute economy. So great play. Token number 3 to me seems very, very undervalued. I'm talking about Minswap. Now, Minswap, it's the Uniswap of Cardano. Now, this is a little back of the napkin math. It's not going to be exactly accurate here, but of course, volume is tiny compared to Uniswap. Now, Minswap's monthly volume, roughly between 100 and 200 million ADA. is about 8 hours equivalent on Uniswap. So every 8 hours, Uniswap's doing about a month's worth of volume versus Minswap. But when we look at the numbers, that's a discount, folks. Now I'm looking here, Uniswap, $4.2 billion market cap, Minswap around 17 million. So Minswap needs 100x to reach Uniswap volume, but it's a 250x if the price were to remain the same. And so you can see the volume is a lot closer than the price is, and I expect the price to catch up to where the volume is. So that's going to be a nice 2.5x if we can just get to 1/100th of the size. And looking at Cardano's community, I think 1/100th of Uniswap is going to be FUD. I think we go even higher than that. Now let's go to token number 4, and it is pumping. It is pumping hard off the Trump presidency here. Now it looks like this is going to be, part of a trend here. Regulatory clarity seems to be around the corner with the new administration, and DeFi tokens that will outperform today will probably continue to do so. But despite the pump we're seeing today, still down 85% from its all-time high, so there's still room for more upside here. Now, they have several catalyst proposals out there, and when, not if, Cardano gets serious stablecoin volume, I expect this one to moon as well. Now, looking in at Lenfi, 25% pump today, and so this might be a sign of things to come. And when you look at the fully diluted valuation, 20 million, this one is a undiscovered gem. This is a microcap gem, folks. Now, let's go to the final token here. We're coming to the end, and then we got DZ's dark horse pick here. Token number 5, the 5th and final one of this thread, at least, Cornucopias game. This is a gaming project. It's the top gaming project on Cardano. I do expect a gaming bull run sometime over the next 6 months, especially as Alex Becker seems to be getting more active. And when I click on his account, you could actually see he posted yesterday. So he's starting to pick up his activity. And if you don't know, he's like the top gaming YouTuber, crypto influence out there. He talks about a gaming token. He can literally ignite a gaming bull run with his audience. And it seems like he's starting to get a little more active. And that's typically the sign before we see a gaming bull run. Now, the top gaming project is easily Kopi. Kopi is the ticker. Cornucopias is the game. And they just added something huge, support for base ecosystem. That's the hottest L2 on Ethereum, so there's going to be a lot more buying pressure. If you want to learn some more recaps, I have a video here on the thread, and they break it down very, very well in about 4.5 minutes. Now, let's go to the dark horse candidate. I said there's going to be a 6 coin that's not in this thread here. No one else gets to learn about it except for the YouTube audience, so hit that like button, and I'll keep these undiscovered gems for you folks. And the token has changed names. So I really want to point this out. This used to be called Book.io, and it's now called Stuff.io. Now, it is not pumping as hard as the other coins today because it's actually kind of a Kamala Harris coin. If you didn't know, Mark Cuban is an advisor and an early investor in this project. So we're seeing a lot of Kamala coins take a little bit of a dump. We're seeing the Trump coins, they're having a huge pump. But I don't expect Mark Cuban to just ride off into the sunset and give up crypto forever. He's going to capitulate. He's going to 180. He's going to want to work with the new head of the SEC when we probably get one next year. Now, Stuff.io, massively down, massive discount right here. We called this one literally upon launch. Didn't sell as much as we needed to in this 3 to 4 cent range, but right now I feel like it's another accumulation period. Now, just a quick glance. Now, their market cap is only $13 million, and if you're wondering what they do, it is a media play. Creators of the media token own the digital media you buy, and they have a lot of publishers on board as well. And so if ebooks take off in a major way on the blockchain, I expect Stuff.io to be a big, big part of that. And plus, I've talked to the CEO, very, very sharp guy, Joshua. I met him myself, flew down to Dallas to meet him. Great team, very smart individuals. I would not sleep on the Stuff/book team, folks. So that's the 6 Cardano tokens that might be added to these major exchanges. Now, of course, we don't have any inside information. We're just kind of looking at the volume. We're looking at the strong projects, and we think these are going to be the winners, folks. So these are some of my favorite Cardano projects. Hopefully, I'll see you and your ADA bags at the top.